so my hair has been taking like a really bad beating. I haven't really been able to deep condition, so I'm trying to do a couple masks that, you know, help with the frizz and the hair growth. And this really cool one helps with frizzy, tangled, damaged hair. For this one, you only need 1 avocado, ½ cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Pretty much stuff that's in your kitchen already, probably. Just make yourself a hair mask by it. I'll be back.
Perfect. Perfect.
Wash this stuff out of my hair, wash it off my face. It looks really good. This made my hair a lot softer, and I didn't feel like a lot of residue in it. My hair is so freaking soft right now, it's ridiculous. I would say try it, tell me if you like it, if you don't like it, but I mean, look at the what, like, honey, this is amazing. Like, it's so bouncy, it's so soft. But yeah, tell me if you like it. Comment below, give me some ideas if you see something else. Thank you.